In this quick video, we're demonstrating how a Siphon works using computational fluid dynamics simulations within the Digital Dynamics Studio. Although this application involves free surface flow, which is an advanced feature currently under development for the simulation platform, these results are interesting and insightful, so we thought we'd share it as a preview. As can be seen here, we are modeling 3 containers of liquid. The right 2 containers are full, while the left one is nearly empty. The containers are all coupled together using straws that are also filled with fluid. This coupling will cause fluid to drain from the right 2 containers into the 3rd container until the fluid levels of all 3 are exactly the same. Since Digital Dynamics Studio models fluid flow in 2 dimensions, the initial computational domain is constructed as seen here within the Studio's Geometric Modeling tab. The 3 containers are modeled along with the tubes connecting each chamber. As we start the simulation, we can observe fluid moving into the left container from the right ones, as highlighted here through particle traces. Again, we should note that this is a fluid dynamic simulation, and the only thing driving the fluid's motion are the incompressible Navier-Stokes governing equations. As you can see, after some initial imbalance, the 3 fluid levels all reach equilibrium in the end. We repeat the simulation to highlight the underlying unstructured mesh used for the simulation. As you can see, Digital Dynamics Studio uses a dynamic mesh adaptive technique that allows it to follow the deformations of the domain and maintain high accuracy of the computed solution throughout. Finally, we show the simulation one last time to highlight the fluid's pressure variable throughout the coupled domains. Blue colors represent low pressure, while red colors represent high pressure. The pressure differences at the ends of the connecting tubes is what drives the flow between the chambers. The Digital Dynamics Studio is open for beta testing by students, teachers, and everyone else. Go to www.digitaldynamics.studio to try it out for yourself.